eating something.
Hey people, these are Jen's birds.
We're gonna set you free, and hopefully it'll bring us good fortune. Peacock! Okay, they're getting antsy. They need their freedom.
Alright, make it happen.
Alright. Here we go.
Jen, you excited about having bird flu and malaria?
I'm looking forward to both, and I love that it's going to happen simultaneously. Okay. You guys
You're free, Willie.
are
Go.
very close to freedom. Go! Go, 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 go. They don't want to go. They want to stay with me.
Are you flying them into my face?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Go, go, go. Go, you're free. Come on. Come on. Go. Yay! They're free. And that is how you free a
That was
bird.
anticlimactic.